Introduction to Tags in OmniFocus.
Tags are a powerful feature in OmniFocus that let you add flexible labels to your tasks. Instead of being limited to just one project or context, tags let you describe your tasks in multiple ways. This makes it easier to sort, customize, and find tasks that fit your current focus or situation.
Setting up your first tags.
To create a tag, select the tag's perspective or use the tag field when editing a task. Choose names that reflect categories, locations, people, energy levels, or priorities, whatever best helps you organize your workflow. For example, you might create tags like home, work, urgent, or errands for quick sorting.
Applying tags to your tasks.
You can assign one or multiple tags to any task in OmniFocus. Simply type the desired tag as you create or edit a task. Tasks can have combinations like phone call and urgent to further narrow down what needs your attention, making it easier to filter tasks based on your current context.
Filtering and searching with tags.
Tags really shine when it comes to searching and filtering. In any perspective, you can filter tasks by tag, allowing you to see just what's relevant, like all work tasks, or anything tagged errands while you're out. This keeps your to-do list focused and helps prevent overwhelm.
Tips for effective tagging strategies.
Start simple with your tags and refine them over time. Avoid over-tagging, which can cause clutter. Instead, use tags for what's most useful to you, like priorities, locations, or people. Regularly review and update your tag list to ensure it supports your changing projects and routines.
Bringing it all together.
Using tags in OmniFocus transforms task management, making it adaptable to how you actually work. By organizing and filtering tasks with meaningful tags, you stay focused, organized, and ready to take action on whatever matters most, whenever and wherever you need to.